Speedy K's mobile detailing specialist here. Today we're going to be talking about our boats and RV detailing services. Now you'll find both on the boat and RV detailing packages link. Boats and RV finishes are somewhat similar depending upon the year, make, model of the boat and or RV. A lot of boats and RVs, mostly RVs now that are the newer, coaches, custom coaches, buses, whatever they may be. A lot of them are using clear coat finishes instead of the gel coat finishes, which clear coat finishes is a lot better as far as overall upkeep and durability. Now, all of our prices that are listed within our RV and boat detailing packages linked are basically what the manufacturer recommends and the start off points, meaning manufacturer usually recommends that you have your exterior finish and or interior finish professionally detailed at least 2 to 3 times a year to help keep the unit looking new, feeling new, and the longevity of it. So what we do at Speedy K's is we base our prices off of this. Now, you'll see on our site too as well, we have a number of regular clients that utilize our services. So these prices do go as low as $9 per foot, especially if you've had them professionally cleaned by us on a regular basis. We do offer our clients these regular upkeep discounts. So here you'll see a little bit about some of the services that we offer within the boat and or RV professional detailing services. Kind of explains to you a little bit about not only the exterior sealant that we use and the coverage of the exterior. Now, we don't use a regular base wax. We actually use a sealer and a treatment. It's applied the same way as wax. However, the Teflon polymer sealer does last a lot longer. And at Speedy K's, we like to use the high-end longevity products that last and give you that professional grade protection and finish you're looking for to help preserve your investment. So these are some of the key points of Speedy K's and the products that we do use. There's many detailers out there that do use just your regular base store-bought products and sealers or waxes or whatever it may be. At Speedy K's, we use all the high-end recommended manufacturers products, and many of our products are professionally graded, made, and produced by Speedy K's and National Detail Systems that we work with. So within each package, you'll get a professional grade service and materials used. So you'll be able to kind of, go through these links and some of the packages just to kind of give you an overview of some of the services that we offer for boats and RV detailing services. We've serviced over the years thousands of RVs and boats, and all of our sales staff and detailing specialists knows the ins and the outs of your boat and or RV, motor coach, whatever you may be looking for. So if there's something that you're in question about and or need, we'd be more than happy to answer any of these questions, whether you use our services or not. We'd be more than happy to give you a free estimate via phone. You may also email us. Emailing us, we usually get back to you within 24 to 48 hours, and or if you call by phone, please do leave us a voice message if you don't get through, and one of the sales staff will get back to you as quick as possible and go over your boat and or RV questions that you may have.